In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PowerPoint on Microsoft in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're preparing for that next big presentation for work or school, or simply looking to harness the full potential of PowerPoint for your personal projects, this guide is tailor-made for you. Throughout this tutorial, I'll be walking you through the process step by step, offering tips and tricks to ensure you can navigate and utilize Microsoft PowerPoint with ease. So let's dive right in. First things first, you're going to need to access the Microsoft PowerPoint website. This is where the magic begins. If you're unsure of the URL, no worries, simply search for Microsoft 365 or Microsoft PowerPoint in your preferred search engine, and it should be one of the top results. The webpage serves as a gateway to all things Microsoft Office, including PowerPoint, Word, Excel, and more. Once you're on the page, the next step is to log in or sign in using your Microsoft account. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials to log in. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Click on the sign in option and follow the prompts to sign up. This could involve providing some basic information about yourself and verifying your email address or phone number. Remember, creating a Microsoft account is free, and it not only gives you access to PowerPoint, but also to a suite of other useful Microsoft tools and services. With your account all set up and logged in, look for the PowerPoint icon on the side panel of the web page. Microsoft has designed their site with ease of navigation in mind, so locating the PowerPoint icon should be straightforward. This is your gateway to starting or continuing your projects on PowerPoint. The side panel acts as a quick access bar to various Microsoft Office tools, making it incredibly convenient to switch between applications if you're working on multiple projects. Now, for the exciting part, opening your file to start working on it. If you're beginning a new project, you'll have the option to create a new presentation from scratch. Microsoft PowerPoint offers a wide range of templates to get you started, from professional business designs to more creative layouts. These templates are a great starting point for any presentation, providing you with a structured layout that you can then customize to your liking. If you're here to continue working on an existing file, navigate to the Open option where you can access recent documents or browse your computer or OneDrive for your PowerPoint file. Once your file is open, you're ready to dive into the world of slides, designs, animations, and more. PowerPoint's interface is user-friendly, offering a ribbon at the top with all the tools and functionalities you could need. From adding text, images, and videos to implementing animations and transitions for your slides, it's all at your fingertips. Here are a couple of tips to enhance your PowerPoint experience. Don't forget to make use of the Design Ideas feature, which can automatically suggest layout and design elements based on the content of your slide. It's a great time saver and can help make your presentation look professional with minimal effort. Additionally, consider familiarizing yourself with the slideshow mode and practicing your presentation using the rehearsal timings feature. This is invaluable for making sure your presentation not only looks good, but flows well too. To sum up, using Microsoft PowerPoint Online is a straightforward process that opens up a world of creative possibilities for your presentations. By starting on the Microsoft PowerPoint website, logging in or signing up, navigating to the PowerPoint tool and opening or starting your file, you're well on your way to creating eye-catching and impactful presentations. Remember, the key to a great presentation lies in how well you know your tool, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment with all the features PowerPoint has to offer. That wraps up our quick guide on how to use PowerPoint on Microsoft. We hope this video has been helpful and has made you feel more comfortable navigating and using PowerPoint for your projects. Happy presenting, and here's to making your next presentation the best one yet.